and Charlie are in the middle of a fucking intense game of FIFA. Billy just scored a goal with like 2 minutes left to go. And I'm gonna go unplug the Xbox and see what they do.
What? The fuck just happened? Oh. Oh, what the fuck? That was such bullshit. I didn't even press the buttons. Just bullshit. Wow. Now we're playing another game. Yeah.
What
we're
happened?
Playing another game.
What happened?
Oh, you're gay.
So
What
we're playing
happened?
another
I
game.
win, Billy. I fucking scored the last goal.
No, it doesn't matter. We're playing another
I'm
game.
not fucking
What
winning.
happened?
I won.
No, you're
I don't
gay.
say Charlie won.
No, I won. The fuck? You scored off a penalty. I scored a real goal. Fuck that. We're playing another game now. Since you just fucked up.
No, I'm
8 times.
playing
No,
penalty.
no, fuck that. Because when you're in the middle of your match, I'm gonna turn it off. All right?
Why are you so mad?
Because you get pissed off too if we turn off the fucking match when you're like twerking somebody on a kill streak. I'm gonna wait until you get a kill streak and I'm gonna fucking turn the game
So you're about to get your fucking pay blow.
Why are you guys so mad?
Because I just fucking tied the game.
Because it was the fucking 90th
2
minute,
minutes
dude.
left in the game.
Like the game was over. You couldn't wait.
2 FIFA minutes. It was like 10 seconds.
I just got that whole thing in video.